Okay, the time is 6:27 a.m. I'm sitting here in front of the apple orchard, and I just got three massive just a few seconds ago. This is going to be the same thing that happened last year. I know you can't see me, but you can hear me. And there's squatches here in the apple orchard this morning. Like I said, I only got three. This is how it sounded. So they're basically where the sound comes from, though, were in the pines over on the. When you go in the apple orchard, you take a left and you follow all the way down to the pines. There's a pine thicket between the apple orchard and the Mill Creek Dirt Road. Well, that's where the sound comes from. And I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit lighter because I know they're watching me right now. I just heard some movement right across the road from me, about 40-45 yards. So they're in here watching me this morning. But you know, it's pretty cool. Here you got the moon up there. And they're basically right there across the road from me. And they're watching me. Last time this happened was back last year. Yeah. Back last year, I got out of the Jeep and I went to load my bow, and I got three whoops about 20 yards from me. And them whoops, it kind of tickled me for a few minutes, you know, but they, wait a minute, I hear something. Let me turn my light off here. Let's see what I can get here. I got eyeballs looking at me. But there's no use for me to show you because all I got is a little headlamp and they're ducking between trees. They heard me, so I'm gonna sign off right now. I'm gonna see what else happens. I'll be back in touch with you later. Okay, I just got three knocks just now, right across the road over to the left when you're walking in. And I've been hearing, oh, oh, oh. So they're very active right now. But as soon as I hit the apple orchard, they're going to be moving. So I really ain't worried about that. But it's cool as heck, you know. You get in here and you, well, like I say, this is the second time I pulled up in front of the apple orchard, and I've got them right off the bat, watching me. I don't know. I think I just seen one across the road, but I can't be sure. It could have been a deer. I don't know. I know it's dark right now. It's exactly 6:38. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on in, and I'll let y'all know what happens here in a few minutes. I'll be right back. Well, I don't expect y'all to see me right now, but this right here is what I'm looking at. That's how dark it is. And I've just heard a couple knocks just a few seconds ago, coming from that way, coming in front of me. So they're starting to kind of skittish off now. I'll just have to see what happens here. I'm gonna do is work my way up top of the ridge and come down through the pines on the other side of the orchard. Come out on that trail. Just make a U-turn. I'll come out here about 9. If I don't see anything by then, I know there could be no shooting deer today. So, I'll be right back. Well, I don't expect y'all to see me right now, but this right here is what I'm looking at. That's how dark it is. And I heard a couple knocks just a few seconds ago coming from that way, coming in front of me. So they're starting to kind of skittish off now. I'll just have to see what happens here. What I'm going to do is work my way up top of the ridge and come down through the pines on the other side of the orchard. Come out on that trail. Just make a U-turn. I'll come out here about 9. If I don't see anything by then, I know there could be no shooting deer today. So, I'll be right back. Okay. This morning, I got 2 or 3, hoops like that. And about 10 minutes later, I got tree knocks. A few minutes after that, I heard rustling around. Then I heard boom, 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 running through the field. So I'm in the pine thicket right now. This is where I'm at. Step back here and just zoom them all around. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let me go back here. Back there. And I really don't know if I'm being trailed or not right now. But all I do know is that they were hauled, that they was on the far side. This crow is driving me nuts. It was on the far side of the orchard, which is where the corner of where the far trail is. So you got pine thicket, row and a row, and then you got the Mill Creek dirt road on the other side of it. So they're over in the Mill Creek right now. I might have something in here later on, I don't know. I'm only going to stay till about, time is it now? 7:26. I'm just gonna make a loop. Cruise on out of here because I got it taken. I'm gonna get Daniel's dad. Me and him's gonna get together, going up to the shooting range. Damn crows. Right over there. Here they come right there. They're being a pest. That's all they do is be a fucking pest. But anyway. I'm going down that way, and then I'm gonna turn and go that way. That way's back toward the Jeep. And everything. I doubt if I'm being followed right now, being this early in the morning. They probably went back to their nesting area and rest a little bit. I know Jubies will. What I'm looking for is a doe right now. I don't care if it's big or little. I wanna make me some jerky tonight, if I get me one. It ain't too bad here. A couple of big fallen trees, I know that much. But anyway, I might be being watched. I might be being watched. I don't know. I have no idea. None whatsoever. So next time you see me, I'll have paint on my face. Okay, talk to y'all later. Okay, Freddie here. Well, about 15 minutes ago when I was coming out on the back end of the orchard, I jumped a massive buck. He didn't smell me, he saw me. So I'm gonna put a tree stand up there later this evening. And I'm gonna stick another one up at the, up there where they come out of the woods at, on this side of the orchard. So I have tree stands up there. I'm gonna get me a doe or a buck, don't make a difference. Either or, you know. But I'm gonna call it quits right now because it's a little too warm and they're laying down right now, so there's no use for me to hunt. But like I said this morning, I'm over in that direction. I got a whoa, and 5 minutes later I got whoa, whoa, whoa. Then I got 3 knocks about 20 minutes after that, or close to it, give or take. And I heard running right across here, probably about 30, 35, 40 yards, take off that way. So I was being watched. That figures. But anyway, it was all in all, it was a good morning. I was back later this evening. Later.